So at all, we have saved on this project more than 400,000 euros just in savings because we found issues that we wouldn't have recognized before. Copenhagen Airport is an airport that has around 30 million passengers each year and is increasing also in numbers. We have a strategy that we have one airport that have all the terminals together and all the piers. So that means that we are expanding some of our terminals. We are trying to make the best use of the existing areas also and creating new projects to increase the capacity of the existing buildings and the existing areas to accommodate the increase of passengers. So this means we have around 100 projects every year. That's for every one of them is trying to do something with the capacity and increase that also for a better passenger experience. My role in the project is as part of the projects. We in my department, technical knowledge, handles every data, every BIM models. We handle GIS, and we are kind of the link between asset management operation and also the projects going on. And because of us having about 100 projects every year, we have a lot of data going in and out of the system. Our project right now about the automated quality control is a project about giving our asset managers a better tool to quality assurance their projects, all the building projects that we have here in Copenhagen Airport. So by doing an automated quality with the Solibri, we are creating all their quality assurance standards into rules, and these rules can be used within the Solibri tool to check all the models. So by this, and also because we are handing out these rule sets through our website to all the participants on the projects, then our asset managers can then demand that these rules are also being used by our stakeholders and by our project team, so that errors shouldn't be found by the asset managers, but should actually be found by the construction team or the engineering team at the early stage. We have been using Solibri specifically for two projects. One of the projects was a baggage handling project, where we, for instance, could see that we had one case where a technical room that was required to have enough space to that we could deliver larger assets into the technical room. Larger equipment should be installed. That the same demand also requires for the elevator system, that we should be able to handle large equipment. And when we did that checking on this project, we could see that the access to the technical room was okay, the access to the elevator was also okay. But when we checked the path between the elevator and the technical room, we found that the path was actually too narrow in one corner. So if we haven't corrected that in the very early stage, in the engineering stage, that would have cost us a lot of money fixing it afterwards. So that was just one example of something that our asset managers wouldn't have been able to find. We recommend Solibri to also other building owners. We have just recently started a collaboration with some of the largest building owners here in Denmark in order to convert some of our national building requirements into also rule sets. In that way, we can make an open system that is free in Denmark, so we can handle out these rules to every project to make sure that our building regulations is met during the different stages and phases of the project.